This is the elevator at the Parkway building in Monroeville, Pennsylvania. It's a Dover Marshall Oildraulic impulse. No lanterns, a simmer on. Kind of an annoying fan here. Got two. Different fan for Dover here. Got clunky to old bump. Here too. It's kind of creaky for a Dover. It's on a different controller because normally Dover's open instantly. That took a second. Oh wait, there's no light. Go back down to one. No phones. Clip. I thought there was a bumper. I guess there isn't. It's a basic Dover cab. It's a darker one with pot lights. A bunch of them burnt out. Here, like a one. There's certificate. That's weird. It takes a second to open. Close this and that's gonna be it.